inoffizielle Zeit. As we discussed before, inoffizielle Zeit is used when you're talking amongst your friends or family. This is also known as Zeit in Umgangssprache. Once again, Zeit in Umgangssprache. So the question remains the same. Wie spät ist es? Don't forget to repeat after me. Es ist 1. Now, in Umgangssprache, there is only one way to say the time, irrespective of the fact whether it's written in the format of a 12-hour clock or a 24-hour clock. Let's do some more examples. Es ist 2. Let's see another one. Es ist 6. Es ist 10. And the next one is Es ist 12. And when it's midnight, you can say Es ist Mitternacht. And this way you would read out for all other hours of the day. Now let's do time with hours and minutes. Es ist 5 nach 1. Coming to the next one. Es ist 10 nach 1. Es ist Viertel nach 1. Viertel here represents quarter of an hour. Let's go to the next one. Es ist 20 nach 1. As you must have noticed, the word nach means after. Let's see a slightly different one now. Es ist 20 vor 2. Es ist Viertel vor 2. Coming to the next one. Es ist 10 vor 2. Es ist 5 vor 2. As you all must have already noticed, the word vor is used to represent before. Let's come to the next one. Es ist 1:30. This is a special case and it's not like English. In German, you say halb with the next hour. In English, it's 1:30, which means 30 minutes past 1. Whereas in German, it's basically half an hour to 2 o'clock. So you say, es ist 1:30. Es ist 5 vor 1:30. This is also a special case. These sentences with an exclamation mark are not the same as in English, so you just learn them as it is. Let's now see a similar one. Es ist 5 nach 1:30. Let's do some other special cases. Es ist kurz vor 5. Kurz can be used whenever it's 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 minutes before or after an hour. For the same thing, you can also say Es ist gleich 5. Another variation is Es ist fast 5. The last three structures are used when it's about to be a complete hour. In the other case, you would say Es ist kurz nach 5. Let's see another example. Es ist kurz vor 9:30. In this case also you would say Es ist kurz nach 9:30. Let's summarize. Well, one thing you have to remember, in the case of Umgangssprache or unofficial time, you don't exactly give the time of every minute. It's basically a rounded off figure. When it's a complete hour, you say Es ist 6 Uhr, 7 Uhr, etc. When it's the half hour, you generally say Es ist 5:30, 6:30, etc. Whenever it's 5, 10, 15 or 20 minutes past a specific hour, you would say 5 nach, 10 nach, etc. as depicted in the figure in blue color. And whenever it's 5, 10, 15 or 20 minutes before an hour, you would say 5 vor, 10 vor, etc. as depicted in the green color. Now let's do an exercise to see how much you have learned. Übung. Wie spät ist es? And here's the first one. So the answer should be Es ist 9:15. Let's do the next one. And your answer should be Es ist 20 nach 10. And the last one? Your answer should be Es ist kurz vor 10:30. Well done! So, wie spät ist es bei dir? Do let me know in the comment section below what's the time right now. Danke,